Greetings everyone, this is Ministry Web Designer. My name is Glenn Brooks, and today I'm going to explain to you why you should choose us to build your ministry or your church or your organization website. And one thing that really sticks out, I've done my research out there and I found that most of the websites are fairly expensive out there, and there's reasons why other companies choose to have high prices. My choice is, and this is kind of what I like to point out, I'm out there to help small ministries, but I'm really going to give the small ministry what big, large ministries have. Okay, the good thing about it, I'm kind of going to give you an overview about who we are, okay? We do specialize in designing churches and ministries and organization websites, okay? One of the things I do want to share with you, being a pastor, number 3, being a pastor in the U.S. and other countries, our vision is to provide an affordable web page or package that offers what churches, ministries, and organizations would need to spread the gospel to the world. That's a nut in the shell. So I know how expensive it feels for some of the websites out there. And even if they are a low price, all the different things that you add to it can economically make your price go up on your web page. But in my case, this is what I've done. I've created a way that I can be able to provide you a website design. In fact, this is one of my designs here. To offer you that design for $495.97. That means that I do the complete designing, and then after which, once we launch, it's just a $59.97 monthly recurring fee, and that takes care of the hosting, the maintenance, security, and all the license for the software to manage your website. So I think what's going to be important that you understand this part. This is all some of the quick features that we offer. So we're going to give you a domain. If you have a domain already, that's fine. What we'll end up doing is pointing your domain towards the server. You get unlimited hosting. I take care of the SSL certificate. You got CodeGuard. CodeGuard backs up your website every day through infinity. So if anything ever arises, you'll never lose that data. So that's important. Plus, we get SiteLock that does a malware scan every day. Unlimited emails. So in other words, you can assign emails to your whole church if you choose to, and they'll have their own control panel to control their own passwords and have their own email account with your church domain name. Video streaming. This is archive streaming. That means that you can record and post your sermons or your church service. You can post it online, and I am working on where we can have live stream to YouTube. As soon as that's available, I'll make sure that I update everyone that have purchased a website from me. You get audio streaming. People love to, most pastors, they like to put an archive of their sermons on the website. You can choose to do that. You got a photo gallery, newsletter, autoresponder. Let me tell you about this. A lot of times you'll use a third-party company like AWeber, Constant Contact. There's many other companies out there that charge you a minimum fee, anywhere from $19.90 something to all the way up, depending on how many subscribers you get through that third-party company. What comes with your website is all free. It's unlimited email, newsletter, and autoresponder. So you can have millions of subscribers. It's okay because it's part of your package. You got the event calendar, online giving. So you have your own portal where people can actually donate to your ministry. No extra cost. It's all part of your package. Form creator. You can create as many forms you want. You can use it on any page. Shopping cart. So if you love to sell your CDs, books, or whatever it is, you're going to have your own dedicated, no extra cost for you. You have that shopping cart. Social media art. I do all the major, it's only 4 of them that I do. I do the art for your Facebook, your Twitter, and then also we do your for your Pinterest, and then your YouTube channel. So those, I'll create that art for you so you can have your brand across the board for your ministry. Search engine optimization, which what I do the initial setup. That means that I go in, I set all your descriptions, your title pages, your meta tags. I do everything it takes to submit your information to Google so that you can be posted, you can be found on the web. Okay, that's something most of the companies, they don't do. This is all part of your package. I custom design your website. So in other words, all of my websites are used in WordPress, but I create the actual website itself, and I use a theme process to upload inside on the server. Okay. Device is responsive. It's going to be responsive, so every device out there pretty much can optimize itself to that particular device, so it'll be displayed properly when people are searching your your web page, or displaying your web page on that device. Logo design. If you don't have a logo, we're going to design that logo, and then also basically everything within this is PayPal and Stripe integrated. So in other words, you don't have to go get another third-party merchant company out there. You just use PayPal or your Stripe, and pretty much you can accept payments on your website. Okay. So as you see, I basically went into, we have other details within the program. I kind of went a little deeper with the details, and on your free time, you can go through here. It kind of gives a quick synopsis of everything that you get within your web page. Bar none, you can go out there and do all your research you want. If you try to add a lot of this stuff to your website, it's going to be an astronomical cost. Ours is just $495.97 and $59.95, 97 a month. Okay, that's all we charge, and you're going to have a up and functional website that you're going to love, and you'll be able to really move your ministry forward with this plan to the world. Okay, that's all I have to say, but if you have any questions, I will be more than happy to set up a consultation. If you're ready to get started, all you have to do is go to Get Started. And even if you don't want to get started, if you just want to talk to me, we can go through a little more detail of what is offered in the package. Just go to the Get Started page, and the first thing you want to do is, step one is the free phone consultation. Just fill in the information. We'll set up a time that's convenient to you. We'll connect, and we'll talk about what we need to do. And then from there, step two is to fill out a non-binding agreement. The binding agreement you can cancel at any time. There's no obligation. And then the only thing you do is pay for your package, and then we go to work for you. It's that simple. Okay, so and again, if you have any questions, like I said, if you want to set up a consultation, go to Get Started. If you just have some questions that you just want to do through email, just go to the contact page and address your concern that way. I'm more than happy. We're ready to go to work for you. And let's get your ministry out there so you can spread the gospel to the world. Love you guys. God bless. Thank you.